Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Zoom host, and that's of course will help you a lot on your meeting. How can that help? For example, you had something very important to do instantly and you can't continue on your meeting. So you can make another one as the host to manage the meeting on your place. So here is how you can do that in few steps. So first you just need to open up your Zoom app or website zoom.us. This app you can get it from Microsoft Store, and then you will schedule if you are not already scheduling one, you will schedule a new meeting, or just like me, I will create a new meeting instantly just to show you the way how to make someone host on your place, or how to transfer Zoom host. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, then start. Okay, for example, you are on my place and you are the one who hosting the meeting. You will click on this icon, on this option, and then you will go into that's one that you want to to give him the host of the meeting, and then you will go into this 3 points. Alright, so here you will find the option that can allow you to transfer Zoom hosts, and once you click on it, you like just like that, you just transfer the Zoom host. Anyways, guys, it's so simple as you see, and that's the video. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and bye bye.